This next is Lugia EX from Team Plasma Storms, my boy. That we have the very first evil Lugia. Not to be considered with the Shadow Lugia, that different Lugia. This one's a regular Lugia that been captured by Team Plasma, aka Team Rocket for y'all who do not know. Now look at this face. We have 4 teeth on this one. Look at this, very iconic, very shadow, very menacing. My boy, this one, this is the Lugia of the nightmares. This is the Gengar puts you to sleep, give you nightmares, and you see Lugia on this one, boys.